Are you ready to unlock a world of entertainment and local programming with your brand new Fire Stick and TSC Stream TV? It all starts with an Amazon account. Don't worry, creating an account is easy if you don't already have one. Let's walk through it together. Head over to Amazon.com from your computer and click Start Here from the sign-in page. Now fill in your details, name, mobile number or email address, and a strong password. Remember, strong passwords keep you and your entertainment safe. Please note you must be 18 years or older to create an Amazon account and agree to their terms and conditions. Got it? Let's double-check that password and your email. Now check your email for a verification code. Once you receive the verification email, open it. Make sure to select and copy the verification code within the email. Then return to the Amazon verification screen and follow the remaining on-screen instructions from your browser. After applying the verification code, click Create your Amazon account. That's it. Your Amazon account is now created. Now grab your Fire Stick. You should have the Fire Stick, its power adapter, and the Alexa remote with batteries. Plug the Fire Stick into a supported HDMI port on your TV. Next, you'll want to plug the power adapter into a wall outlet nearby. Use the provided USB cable to attach the power adapter to your Fire Stick. Put the batteries into the Alexa remote, then turn on your TV and switch to the correct HDMI input using your TV remote. The Fire Stick should turn on and you should see the Amazon Fire Stick logo on the screen. Your Alexa remote should automatically pair with the Fire Stick. If it does not, press the home button on the remote until Press Play Pause to Start appears on the screen, normally after 5 seconds. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the Fire Stick to Wi-Fi. Once connected to the internet, you should be prompted to download the latest software update. Perform the update for the best user experience. After the Wi-Fi setup and download of the latest software update, you'll be asked to sign in with your Amazon account. You will also be prompted to set up the equipment control. Follow the on-screen instructions should you have any external devices like soundbars. Please complete all remaining on-screen instructions before moving to the next step. Now let's find your TSC Streaming TV app. Make sure you are on the Fire Stick home screen. Press the home button on your Alexa remote if you aren't sure. From your Fire Stick's home screen, navigate to the Find tab. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the screen and looks like a magnifying glass. You can also use the Alexa or microphone buttons on your remote to perform a voice search. Use the search bar to find the specific app you're looking for. In this case, it will be the Your TV Green app. Once you find the app, highlight it with your remote using the directional pad and press the Center Select button. From there, select Get App, and the app will begin downloading to your Fire Stick. After the app is downloaded, navigate to your Fire Stick home screen by pressing the Home button on your remote. You are now ready to log in to your TSC Stream TV service. Using the directional pad on your remote, navigate to the Your TV Green app and select it with the remote. You will be asked to log in to TSC Stream TV. Enter the credentials provided to you by your TSC representative. For more information on how to use your TSC Stream TV app, please visit telserco.com/streamtv. Happy streaming!